Hello everybody, my name is Dominique O'Brien. I am actually from New Jersey, but I am currently in Bensalem, PA, which is about 15 minutes from Philly. I have been working with children for about 10 years now, and 3 years I've been working in social work. I love it, and that's one of the reasons why I'm in the MSW program. That way I can advance myself in that area. And I also have a 4-year-old son. He'll be 4 next month, actually. It's another reason why I am in this MSW program. I have an incredibly supportive boyfriend that is also working towards his goals, career goals, so we're working together to achieve them so our future can be enjoyable and comfortable. As far as the MSW program goes, I am super excited to learn more and to meet new people and engage with them in their thoughts and opinions. I'm very much an extroverted person, so I really like to hear what other people have to say, and I like to kind of get feedback and learn more from that. I feel like you gain experiences through being open-minded and learning what other people think and the way they view things. Everybody's so different and unique, and that's why I really love social work. And that's really the gist of it. So I look forward to working with everyone. Thanks. Bye.